Hello friends, welcome to MDCZ. Today in this video, I am going to share my new theory on WandaVision, where I am going to talk about how this all started, why doesn't Wanda remember anything that she does with her powers, what's going to happen next, how are X-Men coming to this universe, are those X-Men from another universe or not, what will be the season finale. All the questions will be answered in this video. But before we start this video, let me tell you guys this video is available in 3 different languages, Hindi, English and Marathi. The other 2 video links are mentioned in the description below, so go and check it out if you want. Or just check the playlist section of MDCZ. There all videos are properly categorized according to all 3 languages. It will be effortless for you to watch our content in your preferred language. If you don't want to miss out on such daily Marvel and DC videos, then hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now without wasting your time, let's start this video. The story continues after the events of Avengers Endgame, where Wanda tried to get over Vision's death but she couldn't deal with it. That's when she goes into mental trauma and then she will wish to suppress her traumas. Hayward, the director of SWORD, might be offered Wanda help to suppress her traumas, but while treating or experimenting on Wanda, they accidentally triggered Wanda's alter ego, Scarlet Witch. She is still Wanda, but mentally stronger version of her, which allows her to overcome all the traumas and other problems. Hayward thought that's Wanda, but she introduced herself to him as Scarlet Witch. According to my story of WandaVision, I'll go into deep and explain it to you. Then Wanda figured out what SWORD agents or some evil organization are doing with Vision's corpse, so she broke inside their base and stole Vision's body. Seeing Vision in that condition, Wanda started losing again. Now, Scarlet Witch will come to help Wanda. She will make a deal with Mephisto to fix Vision's corpse, but while making the deal, Mephisto is definitely gonna erase that memory from Wanda's mind so he could use her for his personal benefits. Just like I told you in my Mephisto theory. Now after that, whenever Wanda feels vulnerable or feels so sad, Scarlet Witch will be triggered. The same thing happens here. So to help Wanda, Scarlet Witch created a cosmically powered energy field by using Hex spell. This creates another reality just for Wanda. So Wanda will enjoy her new life happily in this new reality. She manipulated everyone's memories. Scarlet Witch started controlling all the civilians. In the beginning, Wanda didn't remember anything because it was all done by Scarlet Witch, not Wanda. She even didn't know how this all started, but soon she started enjoying it. And now she was in a state where she didn't want to lose all of that. Wanda will do anything to save her reality. That's when she started getting strong control over the reality. Now remember when Hayward kept asking Jimmy Woo and others about Wanda's superhero name. I think he knew already because while Scarlet Witch was triggered, she introduced herself as Scarlet Witch to Hayward, not as Wanda. When Wanda and Vision were fighting, Wanda feels sad, and that's when Scarlet Witch or Mephisto recast Pietro to help Wanda and stop Vision from manipulating her. There's a high chance that just like Pietro, Wanda's father Magneto will be recast by Scarlet Witch or Mephisto to keep Wanda happy by reuniting her with her family. Now those children's, Tommy and Billy's souls are part of Mephisto's soul. In comics, both of them are called shards of Mephisto's soul. In comics, Mephisto tried to collect all his lost part of souls to become the ultimate and completely powerful version of himself. For that, he was using Wanda all along, so when those children become more powerful and stronger, he can take their souls. Now the cosmically powered energy field was made in a way that whoever tries to escape without Wanda's permission will either get destroyed or the barrier won't let people cross the field by their own will, except Wanda herself allow it. And that's why when Vision crossed the barrier, the energy started pulling him back. Still, when Vision resisted, it started destroying Vision's body. But in Monica's case, Wanda herself threw Monica out of this barrier, and that's why she crossed the barrier without any problem. When Vision was dying, Scarlet Witch was triggered and used her powers and expanded the energy barrier to save Vision. In the final part, either SWORD team will try to infiltrate Wanda's reality to stop this all, or Mephisto will make his appearance to take his souls from Billy and Tommy. Now there will be an Avenger Endgame type battle we might see at the end, where the entire Wanda's family will defend themselves against Mephisto to protect Billy and Tommy. or they will defend themselves against Sword. In both cases, they'll try to protect Billy and Tommy. This will lead Scarlet Witch to introduce her true form to everyone. And the outcome of this fight will eventually lead to the burst of the cosmically powered energy field. And that's when the X-Men and the other mutants will come into this reality. When Monica crossed the energy field twice, the cosmic powers started changing her. She will get her powers because of that. Similarly, other humans will get their mutant powers, but not all of them. Only those who have mutant genes inside them will get these powers, because this cosmic energy will gonna trigger the mutant genes inside the body. So those who don't have mutant genes will not get any powers. No multiverse X-Men are gonna appear here. All the X-Men and mutants will be a part of this reality. I think the multiverse will already exist in MCU. Now at the end of the battle, Mephisto will not gonna lose, but he'll step back and he'll gonna plan another attempt later. Doctor Strange will help Wanda either with her alter ego Scarlet Witch or with a deal with the Mephisto. Maybe in the end, Wanda will be on the same page with her alter ego Scarlet Witch. The energy burst might just create some energy holes, or we can say some portals, which allows others to travel to multiple universes. And that's how some old villains we are going to see in the upcoming Spider-Man 3 and Doctor Strange 2 movies. Then Doctor Strange and Wanda will team up to solve this multiple problem. So this is how it's gonna end according to my theory. I know some of you might be confused between Wanda and Scarlet Witch. For better understanding, please refer to Killer Frost from DC's Flash series. You'll understand everything properly. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and also share your own theories. If you like my theory, please hit the like button and share it with all Marvel fans. If you don't want to miss out on such daily Marvel and DC Universe related videos, then hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do guys, just be safe, don't hurt anyone and be happy.